Hey guys, Mark McKillier here with liveanabolic.com, and today I put together a smart cardio program for full body fat loss. And when I say smart cardio, I mean it's completely different than that long, boring, steady state cardio so many of you guys are doing. I don't want you to do this. This is much more time efficient, it burns more calories per minute of workout, and it also creates an afterburn effect, or an EPOC effect, which means excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. What the hell does that mean? It means that our metabolism is going to be raised even higher than normal long after our workout's over. And that does not occur with the old, boring, steady state cardio. So I've got 4 different exercises for you. We're going to do them back to back with no rest between the exercises. And at the end of each cycle, I'm going to stop. I'm going to talk to you guys for about a minute while I try to catch my breath. And then we're going to do the cycle all over for a total of 3 circuits. So follow along, guys. The first exercise is going to be box taps. Then we're going to go down and we're going to do some plank jacks on the ground. Stand back up. I'm going to be doing some butt kicks. And then I'm going to finish it off back down on the ground doing some Russian twists. So I've designed this program to make you get up and down numerous times. You're going to notice that, all right? Another thing is, this workout is very similar to a lot of the custom workouts that I designed specifically for this complete new workout program that I just designed called Fit After 50. So follow along, you're going to get a taste of what this new 3-month comprehensive plan looks like, and I think you guys are going to really like it. All right, here we go. I'm going to do 30 seconds on each exercise, no rest in between, and then stop at the end of 4 exercises and catch my breath before I do it all over again. Let's start off with some box taps. All right, here we go, 30 seconds. I'm gonna try my best to count to 30, guys. Don't hold me to the exact time, okay? Box taps, real simple. We're gonna 3, 5, 6, 9, 20, 15, 16, 20. All right, that's about 30 seconds. All right, we're gonna do some plank jacks now, guys. Get down here. We're gonna just do. All right, about 30 seconds of that. Whew. Back up, butt kicks. All right, 30 seconds. Finish up down on the ground. Whew. 30 seconds of Russian twist. All right, 30 seconds, all right. All right, I've done 1 cycle. Now guys, this is where I'm gonna give myself about 60 seconds to rest, catch my breath. What I'm trying to do is get oxygen back to all the muscles. So this is an anaerobic workout, which means without oxygen. So what happens is your muscles are burning oxygen faster than your heart and your lungs can pump fresh oxygen-rich blood to the muscles. So they're working at a deficit. So you can only do that for so long before you just have to stop, okay? And that's what makes this such a smart cardio workout, guys. When you're doing that long, steady state, boring cardio, that's aerobic cardio. That means with oxygen. It means you're getting plenty of oxygen to the muscles because they're not working very hard. And they can go on and on and on for a long time. The problem is, it's not time efficient. It doesn't create the afterburn effect once the workout's over. And if you do too much of that stuff, you can actually depress your testosterone levels, which is a big no-no, especially for guys our age. So, all right, got to get back up, start all over again. Cycle number 2. All right, here we go. Box taps. All right, plank jacks. Try to keep the rest to a minimum between exercises. Time for some butt kicks. All right, finish it up. Russian twist. 30 seconds. All right, 2 cycle down, 1 to go. Another thing, guys, I want you to think about is everybody's going to be at a different level of fitness. So I want you to make adjustments. So if you're out of shape, still do this workout, okay? The difference is you may have to stop in the middle of a 30-second routine, catch your breath for 5 or 10 seconds, and then finish out that 30-second exercise. You may not be able to go immediately to the next exercise because you're so out of breath. It's okay, stop. Catch your breath for 10, 15 seconds. Do the next exercise, okay? Don't just quit. Don't stop at 15 seconds because that's when you get out of breath. Still do the entire workout. Just allow yourself a little time to catch your breath, guys. I promise. You do this several times a week. After just a couple of weeks, you're gonna be amazed at how much improvement you've made. And it'll give you a sense of accomplishment. And on top of that, you're gonna start burning a lot of that unnecessary, ugly fat. All right, guys. Just about ready for my third and final cycle. Get back up. Do it all over again. All right. 30 seconds of box taps. Here we go. All right, plank jacks. Seconds. Kicking my ass. But guess what? That's what it's designed to do. Back down to the ground. Good news is, last exercise of the last circuit. Whew. Whew. All right, 3 circuits done, 4 different exercises, almost no rest in between the exercises. I was shooting for about 60 seconds in between each cycle. You guys that are in really good shape, you can cut that rest time down to 45 seconds, even 30 seconds if you're in great shape. And that's fine, adjust for your fitness level. You may need 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. I don't care, stick with it. Don't give up just because it's hard. That's the whole purpose of this thing. It's supposed to be difficult. You need to push yourself out of your comfort zone, okay? That's why we got into this condition in the first place, because it was so comfortable, so easy. Guess what? Starts putting on fat. Guys, it may only be 2 or 3 pounds a year. That doesn't sound like hardly anything, and it's not. But when you're 57 and you've been doing that for say 20 years, guess what? That adds up to 50 pounds real quick of unnecessary body fat. So stick with this, guys. Fantastic routine. And then also, if you guys like what you just saw, you really seriously need to check out my brand new program that I designed called Fit After 50. Man, it is killer. And it's not just cardio. It's a lot of resistance training. We use dumbbells, we use resistance bands, we use high intensity cardio, mix it up, 3 months, 3 phases, guys. And I'm very careful because I designed this specifically for guys our age, all right? So I don't have you guys doing a bunch of crazy stuff that's gonna hurt your knees and your ankles and your hips, okay? It may be low impact, but it's really difficult, tough workouts that you guys are gonna really love. I'll start you off pretty slow and basic, and as your body starts to adjust over the course of weeks and months, I ramp up the intensity. I add more and more complex exercises. We do a lot of compound movements that are designed specifically to increase your body's production of testosterone, which in turn makes you much more efficient at burning fat. So guys, really I recommend check out the link below this video. It's called Fit After 50. I personally designed it specifically for guys our age.